Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and this was a doozy. People got super confused with this one. A buyer bought a property without telling the seller of his intended purpose for the property. The contract contains no contingency clauses, and it is a properly executed contract. Okay, looks kosher as all get out after the closing, so it's done, okay, the buyer is unable to obtain the zoning he needs for his commercial project. So he seems to have bought a property that he had intentions of doing something with that he no longer can do it with, right? So, what is the contract at this stage? So, it's closed. I think we know that. And a lot of people wanted to say executed. Like a lot of people were looking for executed. They're like, it's an executed contract. Okay. That is correct. It is an executed contract, right? So I was going to write the word executed there. That's what I was trying to do, but doesn't let me. Okay, that's fine. Anyway, a lot of people were looking for the word executed here as one of the answers. So since that isn't one of them, let's look at what we have left. We have the word A, enforceable. Yeah, I like that. B, unenforceable. Well, if I like enforceable, do I like unenforceable better? And what would make it unenforceable? There are no contingencies and it's properly executed. This doesn't lead me to believe that there's any issues or concerns with the contract because it's talking about the contract this time. There's look, there could be other remedies. However, if the buyer didn't make this a contingency, wasn't misled in any manner, shape, or form, and we're strictly talking about the contract right here, the word unenforceable, there's nothing that makes this contract unenforceable. So we're going to get rid of B. Both A and B, no, it cannot be unenforceable and enforceable at the same time. It's just you something cannot be ice and water at the same time. It's either you are one or the other. Okay, so we're going to take that out. D, zoning. The contract is zoning. Doesn't even make sense. So we're going to cross that out. The answer is A. Guys, I hope you like this one. This was a doozy. Have a great one. I'll see you tomorrow.